Hello everybody, my name is TammyKikoy and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today, we'll be reacting to a new singer. She's actually a member of Ladies of Soul, where we reacted to Gladys Grace, and now this member is Berget Lewis. Berget Lewis. Yeah, I already heard her sing during their tribute concert, I think, when they sang together a song, and I did not dig deep on her because my focus was Gladys, but now let's try to hear what she can give to us. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. Such a difference between us and the million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me, talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home anymore.
Like, wow. She has a big voice, and you know, she set the mood in the stage, and the whole place were affected to her song, and she's good. Wow, Ladies of Soul, great numbers. Oh, Berget Lewis, 2 thumbs up for you, girl. Nice rendition of Hello by Adele, and I love it so much. As of the moment, I'm waiting for new videos of Ladies of Soul so that I can watch the performances, and I have 2 videos here waiting. First, the Hello version by Berget, and the second is, I don't know what the song will be, and let's see. So after this one, I'll be making another reaction video for Ladies of Soul, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and please click the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Bye.